Hi, my name is Michael Wertheim, and I'm the National Sales Director for Aquaphalt, based here in Charlottesville, Virginia. Here to tell you about our asphalt patching product, Aquaphalt. Aquaphalt is an amazing product that sets up with water, cures, gets hard, and has no petroleum in it, no VOCs, and is environmentally friendly. And one of the biggest benefits of our product is that it can be installed in the winter, even in below freezing temperatures. So when you have a snowstorm, plows come through, tear up your roads, and you have snow, water left behind in your hole, you can still install Aquaphalt and have no issues. Aquaphalt comes with a 3-year warranty after it's installed, and can also be installed in the summer, can be installed all year round. And I'll go ahead and do a demonstration now. We're gonna sweep our hole out, or you can use a blower to get your loose dust and debris out of the hole. Then you pour Aquaphalt directly from the bucket into your hole. And one of the nice features of our product is the workability of it. You can see how nicely it flows out of the bucket. Has a real good consistency to it. Then you use a rake or a shovel to spread the material out, leaving it about 1/4 to 1/2 inch high to allow for compaction. Spread it out nice and even. Next, you pour your water on top, and you don't even have to measure it out. About 1/2 gallon of water per bucket of Aquaphalt is what we recommend, but you can just generously pour it on top. And that starts the activation process. And then compaction. Use a hand tamper, plate compactor, roller, anything to tamp it down. And that's it, ready for traffic. It takes Aquaphalt 24 hours to fully cure and set up, but you can drive on it immediately. It's not gonna stick to tires, it's not gonna squeeze out, and it comes with our 3-year warranty.